Hey guys, so continuing off from my first video that I did about this, I'm going to give it some gameplay and see what we can do. There it is in all its beautiful white. Might be able to see it better today in a better light, since we put a plastic perspex on. All I did was cut it out and siliconed it in, so hopefully you can see it. It does scratch a bit though, which is a bit of a pain, but yeah, looks better anyway. So let's see it in action. There we go, booting up. Default BIOS settings. Oh, battery not set, so I'm not set apparently. Who knows? Oh, so we've got it on a flash. I'll show you some gameplay as well, also in the dark, so you can see it. There you go, not too bad. So we can do it on the front, which is, I think it's that one. That one does the glow. Just randomly glows. Purple? Pink? Maybe. Something like that. Flash. Yeah, that one's glow. Red. Red, yellow. Maybe. There. Random. As per usual, the update first. I've had a bit of a boss round with the settings, and I've got a probable max 22. All the cores are running. It's using 3 gigs of RAM, 42% on GPU, CPU even. Let's jump out and try to do this one-handed. I'm not using my game capture on this one because I can't do both. So let's have a blast. Let's dive. Let's just go anywhere. I'm probably going to get shot to death. Landy land? I'm not sure. There we go. Looked not too bad, the old picture. I've got it on. So I've gone for high settings, which is 1080, and I'll put everything on to low. I might even turn them off. Let's have a look. See what we get out of that. Is that better? Not really. It's actually dropped down now. Gone on to 20. So we'll put VSync. Let's pull them on, see what we get out of them. Probably sucks ass now. Fortunately, I'm not going to play. But no, I think we need to turn. I mean, the graphics card could be better, but unfortunately, it's not going to be because this is all we've got to play with. 20 FPS, 21. I mean, that's perfectly playable. Nothing wrong with that. It just, I'll put on medium. I think people are a bit too snobby when it comes to FPS. It's not always that bad. Nothing wrong with playing that. That's on 720. That sucks ass, man. Let's put it back up to 1080. I mean, if I let it do it automatically, it will literally be that bad, which is ridiculous. So, I'll go back up to high, I think on low, and it's perfectly playable. Not wrong with that. Look at the quality of that. Pretty good. Okay, let's say 19, but you know, there's a little bit there. It's still playable. Let's go in. Oh, a bit of a jump then. Let's go and beat that tree in. GPU is 47. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's not too bad. There we are. Bit of wood. So there. I wonder if we could make it slightly better. Do you think we can get that up to 120? I don't think it's going to do any difference, that part. But there we go. I think max it out. Oh, max frame rate. 60 FPS. I don't even think it can get that. Someone's going to shoot me in a minute. I'm going to put it on medium, I think. No, it was 1080. So we can get it on epic with everything off. For max of. Let's have a look at that. No, we've got 18 on that one. It's not that bad. I've seen worse, that's for sure. Quality's definitely better. Gone down to 19 now. A little bit of extra. We got 19. Quality's pretty good. I could quite happily play that. Let's go over here. Yeah, you could just do with a bit of a graphics card in it, I suppose. I think there's someone up there, isn't there? I'm not sure what happens if I get into a battle with someone, if it's going to properly drop. I want someone to actually kill me. So if anyone actually around. I think he is. Because he would have come and attacked. Oh no, there he is, bless him. Thank you, thank you. So there you go. That'll do. And I think that'll do. Return to lobby. And that's it. 22 FPS max. Wow. Hope you enjoyed this second update. And that's it for this PC. So here it is. In all its glory. That's your lot. Bye.